Do you see that? I don't like this, Hakuna Matata. We're already lost. At least this leads somewhere.
I have been expecting you.
You can talk?
Lost children often ask the same question.
Hakuma, this is not normal. Can you help us find our way home? Can you help us find our way home?
Yes, but nothing comes without effort.
Here it comes.
Bring me fruit from the tree in the lake.
A tree in the middle of a lake?
Guarded, you will see. No chance. We're not swimming.
Look,
Can't swim, can't climb. Brilliant. Can't swim, can't climb. Brilliant. Hakunachide, I haven't mind yet. Throw a stone. They'll throw fruit back. Akos, that might actually work.
look.
Ready? Quick hands. Run!
Clever. Very clever.
Keep your promise.
The path is clear.
Hakuna Matata, we're home.
Follow me.
Wow, the fog is lifting. I hear the village.
Yeah, Hakuna Matata, right? Blue sky thinking in a heavy rain. Trying to find the peace but feel the coming pain. They tell me let it go, just let the worries fade. Hakuna Matata. But Aiko's in trouble with the moves he made. This easy living feeling like a masquerade. The ghosts are in the corners of my own mind shade. Hakuna Matata, Matata. But the trouble's knocking and the debt ain't paid.